Hello, student. How are you doing? Uh, I hope you are enjoying the training. In our last class, we were able to talk about the introduction to forex, which we have done. And what happened is that we have taught most of these things before, but for those of you that are just joining us, so we decided to send a review, a kind of start all over. You understand? Because we have to summarize everything we are teaching you so that we can have it's different, you understand? So while you are here, I want all to understand the basic first before we now dive into a more complex uh, terminologies and the process, you understand? So today we'll be running through, let me share my screen, please, so that I'll have to scan be fast because I want to send some of the video because I want us to dive into the strategy we use because we want you to start going into trading yourself and that should be done ASAP. So meanwhile, if you can see my screen, so we want to talk about, today we are going to be fasting doing this. So we want to rush it and I will explain some additional stuff. And basically for the strategy we want to teach you, which is you can't find anywhere, you understand? We are going to be explaining to you what you need to understand before picking a trade. So today we'll be diving into the forex trading analysis, market structure, how to read and interpret charts, and the market trends concept. Then we have our assessments. So we might not be able to finish up this stuff, but let's start. Now, forex analysis. Now, what I mean by forex trading analysis is that for you to, any business that you want to do, you need to understand how the business works. You understand? So analysis in the sense that once you see a particular chart, the platform that we use to trade is the MT5, which is the chart. You understand? So how do you analyze what you are seeing on the chart? Because chart is full of series of candles. You understand? Series of candles or lines. So we have three major analysis or approach you use to analyze the market. So you use what we call the technical analysis. We have the fundamental analysis and the sentimental analysis. You understand? So those are the three analyses that we use in expressing what is really happening in the market. So for technical analysis,